Hi everyone, welcome back to my corner. Today we are doing the April cat ladybugs. Actually, I should say the crazy cat ladybugs because this is the version with the 2 items for your cats. There's the regular one that is called the cat ladybugs with just stuff for you. Let's open this. Let's see what we have. So this is what it looks like inside. Okay, so let's open this. Wait. just it's already difficult. Yeah, she just realized it didn't work, so. Okay, so the first item we have is this cute little toy. It's a smiley face. It's, oh, there's no card this time. Okay, so that's weird. There's no card with the prices. I don't know if they forgot to put it or if it's a new thing, so we'll check. So this says Groovy Grin. It says Crochet Kitty. Kitty can let the good times roll with this smiley plush that serves up a healthy dose of organic catnip with every groovy toss. Made exclusively for cat ladybugs. Made in USA. So let's remove the plastic thing. So it's full of catnip. The cats are really excited. So I'm just gonna be quick with everything. Okay. So it seems we have cap. I was wondering what it was. Okay, so we have a cap. I don't really use caps like that. I don't even know if there's another name for this. So it's like 3 little cats. It's super cute. It's kind of purple. Yeah. Like I said, I don't really like wear caps or anything, but I think this is super cute. Like in the summer when I'm in my garden, maybe I can use this for a little bit of shade. This is super cute. I love the color. I love the style. It's not like full purple. It's kind of vintage, I guess. I really like this. Okay, the next thing is this. Let's see. Okay, so it's oh wait, okay, sorry. So it's stick notes. I think it's what it's called. Oh, and the head is sticky. That's super cute. Oh. What I like is that there's a lot of colors. Like I'm a sucker for colors, so I think it's super cute. Nice. I'm sad that there's no prices though. Next thing. How did you open this? It says the entire cat population is my best friend. It's plastic. There's a straw. This is what you get. I don't know how I'm gonna use this. I guess you can put pretty much anything in this. You can put the like soda or whatever, like water, iced tea, I don't know. I don't have that type of container. I only have those with, I only have those that you drink coffee in. Alice is very interested in this. She wants to know what it is. But I'm not gonna give it to you. It's not yours, it's mine. It's mine. Okay, let's see. Oh, the t-shirt. Oh wait, there's something else. Okay, I'm gonna leave it. Okay, so the t-shirt, it says good vibes. It's really cute. It's like a gray with some, it's not exactly orange, it's more like, it's hard to explain. It's salmon. I think it's super cute. I think I'm gonna wear this one. I wear the t-shirts all the time. Every time I go out, like to get something at the groceries or any other store, I put one of their t-shirts on. The next thing we have is a toy. This is gonna be popular. Oh, this is cute. So it's a little fish. So it's like you're fishing. Okay. Smells How do you? It doesn't smell good. It smells like humidity or something, like moldy. Not sure. So this is pretty long. The one is not too long, which I like, because when they are too long, I tend to hit everything. So we'll see how they like this. Let's see, there is a card, but there's no price on them. It just says the next Cat Lady box is the annual Cat Moms Day box. Every May we celebrate you with a special box to celebrate cat moms. This is super great. Yeah, I think it's a pretty good box. There's nothing like super like, how could I say that? There's nothing like exciting, but everything is pretty much really good. Like, I don't think it's my favorite box, but I still like it. I like the toys. I like this. Like I said, I've never had any of these type of drinking thing, and the cap is a super sweet ID. I think it's pretty cool. And the sticky notes also, and the sticky notes are super fun, so I'm gonna use that at my job. They know that I love cats, so that's pretty great. So this is it. That was a quick opening. There was not a lot of stuff like always, but there was no like weird stuff that I wasn't sure about, like what is it. It was pretty much like self-explanatory. I'm gonna go check if like they changed the way that they do things, because I didn't get a card. It's either something that they forgot, or they decided to go like more green and not put a cardboard with all the prices in the box. So I'm gonna have to check that. I'm sorry about the water fountain for the cats. I realized that I forgot to close it. You know, I hear it all the time, so I tend to forget that it's there, so sorry. And now let's go play with the cats.
C'est drôle ce jeu-là.